Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from a field located in northern New York State, where a Ford FW-60 articulated four-wheel drive tractor that has been repowered with a Caterpillar 3406 engine is working on seedbed preparation with a 32-foot wide Case IH True Tandem Turbo 330 vertical tillage tool. During this video, I would like to share with you the specifications, original price tag, and production history of the Ford FW-60 when it was new in the late 1970s and early 1980s. I'll also discuss the modifications that were made to repower the tractor and take viewers up into the cab to see the operator's perspective of working ground with the Ford FW-60. But first, let's head out to the field so that you can see and hear this big blue tractor in action. From the factory, the Ford FW-60 articulated four-wheel drive tractor is equipped with a 14.8-liter Cummuins 903 8-cylinder 903 cubic inch engine rated at 335 horsepower. Customers ordering this tractor new could pick between two different transmissions, a Spicer 1010A 10 forward and 2 reverse speed transmission, or a standard gear drive transmission with 20 forward and 4 reverse speeds. The tractor is equipped with a 225-gallon diesel fuel tank and weighed in from the factory at 26,171 pounds and can be field weighted up to 31,100 pounds. The original price tag for the Ford FW-60 when it was new is $99,394. Customers could add an optional Category 3 3-point hitch that had a price tag of $3,877, and a PTO power takeoff was available for the tractor for powered implements at an additional cost of $6,210. The FW-60 was the largest tractor available from Ford in the late 1970s through the early 1980s. It was introduced by the company in 1977 and manufactured through 1982 by Steiger Tractor Incorporated in Fargo, North Dakota. The FW-60 shares the same frame and styling as the Steiger PT and PTA Series 3 tractors. The Ford FW-60 tractor has seen over 4 decades of service in the field, racking up thousands of hours on the original Cummuins V8 engine. Many FW-60s have been repowered with new engines to give them a second life on the farm. The tractor you see working on this video was repowered with a Caterpillar 3406 14.6-liter 893 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine rated at 350 horsepower. The original 1010A Spicer transmission was also updated on this repowered machine to a 1010B Spicer transmission that can handle up to 550 horsepower. I hope you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field and up in the cab with this Ford FW-60 repower articulated four-wheel drive tractor. I'd like to hear in the comment section below if your farming operation currently uses or if you've run a Ford FW series tractor in the past, or if you run other Ford tractors. If you've enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 2,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you would like to see additional Ford tractors here on Big Tractor Power YouTube, continue to watch the video for a few more seconds to the end screen for direct links to those big blue tractors. As always, thank you for watching.